This is a brand new 2013 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. This SUV has an automatic transmission, a 3.6-liter V6, and four-wheel drive. Its top features include heated seats, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, a locking rear differential, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, a passenger side vanity mirror, a driver airbag, rear seat child-proof door locks, steering wheel mounted controls, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, a rear window defroster, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.